What's up, what's up, what's up? Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're watching Ishlore for the mind that explores. And today's topic of our video is that things I think makes a person 100x more cool. आपने मेरे मुंह से कभी ना किसी वीडियो में ये तो जरूर सुना होगा दैट आई थिंक आई एम अ कूल पर्सन एंड मेरे व्यूअर्स और सब्सक्राइबर कूल पर्सन है. बट मैंने कभी ये डिफाइन नहीं किया कि मेरी नज़र में क्या चीज़ किसी इंसान को कूल और अनकूल बनाती है. सो my very first pointer according to me that makes a person very cool is that when they don't make fun of someone's acne, pimple, height, weight, physique. Yeah, like trust me, everybody knows their height, their weight, they have acne or they don't have acne. You don't need to point it out, okay? The world is really very cruel out there. The least you could do is not point that thing out. Everyone is beautiful, everyone is pretty, and trust me when I say this, beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. So if you cannot see that beauty, you should just shut the fuck up, okay? You should just shut up and just let it slide. And if you are that person who have ever pointed someone's acne, pimple, insecurities out, then you know what? You are just an uncool and a loser. Yeah. Let that sink in. Let that sink in. In second number, we have people who set boundaries. People who know how to set boundaries is top tier cool people. Because there's a difference between being friend and being friendly. I can be friendly to a lot of people, but I cannot be friends to every one of them, right? So if I am ever talking nicely to you or being friendly to you does not give you privilege of me calling you a friend. Do not ever say that, and do not ever take disrespect from anyone, whether that be an elder person, younger person, same age, same gender, opposite gender. No, disrespect in any form is a disrespect, and you should know how to call it out. Okay, I hope you get that, right? Yeah, I hope you get that. And then third point we have, if you are that person who always have to try to look, in order to try to look funny, you always have to point someone out, you always have to find some target so that you make that person a punching bag and तुम्हारे सारे jokes उसी इंसान के ऊपर around revolve करते हैं. Then you are not cool, you are not funny. You know what, you can be hilarious when you actually have a good sense of humor without getting a punching bag. तो अगर आपको कोई एक ऐसे इंसान की जरूरत है जो जिसको आपको inferior फील करा के सुपीरियर फील करना होता है, तो just know that you are a problematic, uncool and a loser person. So you should just shut up and just साइड में जाके खड़े हो जाना चाहिए, है ना? And being friends with people on the basis of their skin color, gender, caste, religion and etc etc, or hating people on based of their caste, culture, religion, you know, whatever. No, that's uncool. I do hate a lot of people, but not because they belong to this like one category, one culture. No, it's because of their behavior and personality. If they've ever done wrong to me, I would hate them. Hate with ethics, है ना? एथिक्स के साथ हेट करिए, बिल्कुल मैं आपके साथ हूँ. बिकॉज मुझे नहीं लगता, मैंने अपने लेवल का पेटी इंसान नहीं देखा है. कोई एक इंसान मुझे ना पसंद आए और मैं फिर उससे कभी ज़्यादा अच्छे से बात करूँ, हो ही नहीं सकता क्योंकि मेरे अंदर से निकली ही नहीं अच्छी आवाज़. ठीक है, तो किसी को भी कास्ट कल्चर पे नहीं 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 नहीं, बिहेवियर एंड पर्सनैलिटी. फ्रेंड्स बनाओ तो बिहेवियर पर्सनैलिटी पे, दुश्मन बनाओ तो बिहेवियर और पर्सनैलिटी पे. ठीक है, किसी के भी ये सारी चीज़ें करने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट पॉइंट विच आई इन माई ओपिनियन थिंक कि एक इंसान को 100x नहीं 1000x कूल बनाती है, वो है कि जब भी आप कहीं बाहर खाने जाते हो या कहीं आप खा रहे हो, कुछ भी खाया, चिप्स, चॉकलेट, और आपके आसपास डस्टबिन नहीं है, इंस्टेड ऑफ थ्रोइंग इट एनीवेयर, यू keep the wrapper to yourself. You either keep it in your pocket, in your bag, and when you find dustbin, you throw it there. सैल्यूट है आपको, दिल से सैल्यूट है. Because these people are not just cool, but they are also civilized and they also understand the responsibility. Because let's be honest, हम हर चीज़ में सरकार को कोसते हैं, सरकार ये नहीं कर रही, सरकार वो नहीं कर रही. सरकार सिर्फ डस्टबिन इंस्टॉल कर सकती है. डस्टबिन में कचड़े आपको और मुझे ही फेंकने हैं. तो अगर आप इतना नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट वी आर एक्चुअली डूइंग. So yeah, that was my take on things that I feel like makes a person cool and uncool. So yeah, if you want to continue your uh, definition of being cool and uncool, you can continue in the comment section. I do read every comment and I will reply to every one of it. So today's announcement. So today's shout out goes to, yeah, here we have another shout out. So if you like my video, do like, subscribe, share, comment as well. And if not, then take care. What else can I say? Bye.
Concrete jungle sermon spilling in the veins.